In this segment, we delve into the diverse realm of bookbinding techniques. We explore popular methods like perfect binding, saddle stitch, and case binding, each offering unique advantages. Understanding the nature of the publication is crucial in selecting the most suitable technique. Additionally, we trace the evolution of bookbinding through history, witnessing the transformation of techniques over time. This segment delves into the dichotomy between traditional and modern bookbinding methodologies. We scrutinize the manual intricacies of traditional hand binding versus the efficiency of modern machine-assisted techniques, weighing their pros and cons in terms of longevity, affordability, and visual appeal. By examining famous books bound through both practices, we gain insight into the diverse outcomes each approach yields. This segment serves as a comprehensive guide to mastering popular bookbinding techniques. Explore the intricacies of Coptic stitch, French stitch, and Japanese stab binding through detailed step-by-step instructions. Discover the essential tools and materials required for each method, ensuring a seamless binding process. Beginners can benefit from practical tips provided for achieving professional-grade results, from ensuring precision in stitching to maintaining the structural integrity of the book. Embark on a journey into the realm of unique bookbinding styles with a showcase of unconventional techniques like tunnel bookbinding, carousel bookbinding, and accordion fold binding. Learn how artists and designers push the boundaries of traditional bookbinding by experimenting with innovative materials, vibrant colors, and textures, elevating the visual appeal of each creation. From whimsical designs to avant-garde concepts, witness the limitless creativity that flourishes within the world of bookbinding. In the concluding segment, we revisit the essential learnings on various bookbinding techniques and their practical applications, reinforcing the knowledge gained throughout the video. Delve into the future trends of the bookbinding industry, including the rise of sustainable practices and the integration of digital technology, shaping the landscape of bookbinding innovation. Inspire your creative spirit as we encourage viewers to explore bookbinding as a compelling outlet for self-expression and artistic exploration.